So guys, I'm an entrepreneur and I've been doing it for about 5 years or so. I used to meet with my clients face to face, but as we all know, times have changed and they are asking for more and more remote video calls. So my team and I are now working remotely from our computers and often our phones. It's been a work in progress, but I found this device that has been a real game changer for me and totally upped our game professionally. So I wanted to tell you about it. It is called Olumiring, and I am actually using it on my phone right now. So let me show you how this little guy works. So take this off here. All right. As you see, it clips, and it clips onto pretty much anything. I'll show you on my laptop. That's it. And it makes things look so much better. There are, let's see, 3 different modes. So you can kind of choose, this is a slightly cooler look, warmer. So I can literally put myself in the best light possible. Oh, and there's no batteries needed. It is USB rechargeable right here. And I think I want to fix my lighting. So I'm gonna put this back on. Boom. So, as you see, it's really small, it's super remote. It is now something that comes with me every time I travel because I could be in a hotel, get a call from a client, and what do? With the Olumiring, I feel so much more confident because I know I can instantly look professional no matter where I am. Because let's be honest, you never know when that next big client is going to call. So, if you're like me and working remotely, I highly recommend Olumiring because it is a game changer.
It's not your camera, it's not your audio, it's not even your clothes, it's your light. So I've been hearing amazing things about this light, the Olumiring. I'm gonna see if using better lighting actually produces better interview quality. Here we go. I'm going to wear the same outfit for each interview and say the same thing in terms of experience. The only difference is 2 of the interviews I'm going to use the Olumiring and 2 of them I am not. All right, guys. So I'm set up for my first interview. This is the light setup I'm going to use. As you can see, it's not very clear. I've got a lot of shadows, so we'll see how it goes. So I just wrapped up my first interview. I feel like it went well. The interviewer did mention that they had a hard time seeing me, so we'll see if that affects his decision. Okay, guys, so this is the day after my first interview, and I've got the same setup here, except, boom, I've got the Olumiring, and you can see it already looks so much better already. Second interview went as well as yesterday's. I've got 2 more interviews set up, and I'm going to check in with you with the results next week. Hey guys, so it has been 2 weeks since my last interview, first interview, regular office lighting, rejection letter. Final interview with the Olumiring. We are so excited to extend you an offer to join our team for the Accountant 2 position. Well, you guys, there you have it. In the interviews where I had the Olumiring set up, they both extended offers. In the setups without the Olumiring, both rejected. We all know that presentation matters. So whether you're meeting with clients, doing meetings, or interviewing, you want to make sure that your lighting is leaving the right impression. There's a link below where you can get yourself one, your coworkers, and your friends.